My brother, my sister, I wan ask you one important question. That you fail today mean say you don become a failure? That you do business and e no work out mean say you no go succeed again? That you suffered rejection from people mean say your future no dey bright again? Make I tell you this. Many people don dey discouraged for life. Many people don bury their dreams today because say only one attempt they make or few attempts they make, they give up. That rain fall today no mean say sun no go shine tomorrow. Yes. The difference between being a failure and failure dey very, very clear. Yes. You fit do something today and you no succeed. If you do business, you no succeed. E no mean say you don become a failure for life. Yes. Failure na event. No allow failure to be your identity. Yes. Failure na event, not identity. Yes. Therefore, say no to your defeat. Stand up, my brother. Yes. Many successful people today wey you sabi, make we begin dey mention names. The Bill Gates of today, the Jeff Bezos, the Carlos Slims, wetin be their name, or is it even the footballers, Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, Kylian Mbappe. Yes, or even for the world of music, Chris Brown them, 50 Cent them. Yes. Olumide them. To mention but a few. Make we come for African billionaires. Aliko Dangote them. Jim Ovia them. Yes. Most of them, Ato Eze, they don't suffer at one point of their life or the other. They don't suffer this thing called failure. But wetin make them be achiever? Yes. Wetin make you begin to hear their name today? Be say they no fail and collapse. They no fail and they no gree stand up again. Yes. Now that ability wey be say once you fail, you dust yourself and stand up. Na im make you achiever. Because no only fit be say no only one attempt in remain for you and you go succeed. Yes. Ask them if you know them or if you know people around them. Look at their stories. They go tell you say at one point in time or their life or the other of their life, they don't fail. But they no give up. Yes. Therefore, my correct people, no give up. Say no to your defeat. Yes. Failure, most of the times, na blessing in disguise. Because failure na the great teacher. One of the greatest teacher for life na failure. You learn from your mistakes. No be failure be that. Failure dey teach patience. Failure dey teach persistence. Failure dey teach person how to plan better. Failure dey bring you down, teach you humility and many other things. Therefore, most of the times, God dey use failure teach you some life lessons wey go help you better your life. No allow people mock you out of your destiny. Yes. I no go do this one. The one wey I try, people laugh me. No be me again, no. Yes, because they don't mock me tire. I know they see again. Yes, I know they hear again. If you want mock me, continue to dey mock me. But as long as I am alive, I will never give up. Yes, have that mindset. Never give up. Yes. If you plan this way and fail, re-strategize and plan again. One day, it go work. Yes. No give up. Have that strong mindset. Say, I no go give up. I must always achieve. Yes. No dey look wetin people go dey talk. Yes. They fit dey look down on you. Your family members fit dey say, this one, he no get future. Your friends go dey mock you. Even your neighbors fit dey look you one kind eye. You go know say, this person dey look me like mugu. Yes. But true, na those people wey dem dey call mugu, na dem dey succeed. Because they no wan hear wetin you dey talk. Dem go dey do their own thing. Dey run their own thing. And one day, e must enter. You wan know wetin be the real failure? Failure na when you fail and you no gree stand up again. Yes. Failure na that attempt wey you make. Maybe you try once or two times. You say, I don tire. This life, I no go even try am again. E get with some people wey God love. Na lie. The real failure na when you fail, you no gree stand up again. That thing wey you dey call failure na temporary defeat. Yes, you write exam, or you go interview, or you go trial for footballers, you no succeed. E no mean say you no go succeed again. Yes. Keep on trying, keep on improving on yourself. You go make am. Na me dey tell you this. You go make am. Those people wey you dey hear their name today, the difference be say they no quit. Because when you quit, you don finish. Yes. In conclusion, yes, if you make several attempts in life and you fail, no give up. Yes. Failure no be say na your life don end. You are not a failure, my brother. You are not a failure, my sister. Stand up. Get up from your bed. Yes. Dust yourself. Stretch yourself. Keep pushing. You will surely achieve. Yes. If you achieve something for this today's lesson, write for comment section, I no go give up. I go continue to dey push. Yes. Na the only offering wey I need from you. Yes. And to subscribe so that you go dey hear this correct ogbonge topic wey go dey make your life better. Yes. Share and like this channel. I love you all, my fans. Have a great day.